So I just want to give a little background about myself and, something that really inspired me to be an organizer. I started working at UPS when I was 20 years old, and I worked in a warehouse unloading trucks, loading tractor trailers, delivering packages, and I got a full-time job there. And an experience of mine that really inspired me was just last July when we had our contract fight. As a shop steward, I led a practice picket for about 60 drivers. And day one, it was great. We had 15 drivers out there. I was like, this is great, 15 people, yes. And every day we went out there, we made a commitment to go out there and, be out there every morning before start time. As the days went on, it was wonderful to see that 2 more people would join. And then, a few days later, 2 more people would join. And then 3 more people. And on the last day of that contract, we had almost 100% of the drivers out there. And I saw the unity being built right in front of my face. That really inspired me to want to organize